Hi, I'm Brenda Cadman, and in today's quick Canva tutorial, I'll walk you through how to find your color hex code values so that you can add your exact color palette into Canva's brand kit. So let's jump into Canva.
The first thing you're going to want to do when setting up your Canva brand kit for your colors is compile a list of the color hex codes for your brand colors if you haven't already done so. What's a color hex code? It'll look something like this. It starts with the pound or hashtag sign and it's followed by a 6-character alphanumeric code. This is what you're going to want to input when you add your color palette into Canva so you can ensure that you're using exactly the same color value as your other marketing materials. You want consistency with your colors in order to create a sense of cohesiveness across all of your graphics and marketing materials, because slight deviations in your colors are going to make things feel inconsistent and visually cluttered. If you worked with a branding specialist or a graphic designer to create your brand's color palette, they likely provided you with some sort of brand spec sheet with your hex values. If they didn't, see if you can get that list from them. Or if you're unable to get a list of your color codes, here are a couple of quick ways that you can identify them. The first option is to use Firefox. And if you open up Firefox and go to Tools and then slide down to Eyedropper, you'll see a tool that looks like this, and then you can drag it over top of the color that you're trying to get the code for, and you can see the code. Or if you prefer to use the Chrome browser, you can get the ColorZilla extension. That extension is going to allow you to hover over a color and determine the color hex value. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. And you can do a 45-day free Canva Pro trial by going to brendacadman.com/Canva. Stay tuned for more quick Canva tips and tutorials, and if you want to know how to create consistently on-brand graphics and marketing materials for your business, check out the Create Your Canva Brand Kit in 5 Days mini course.